Let's review about OLLICOOL, Alexa-enabled smart portable AC 10,000 BTU. Quick cooling for small rooms. Compact portable AC unit delivers fast, targeted cool to rooms up to 275 SQ feet. Can pull up to 40 L of moisture from the air in dehumidifying mode. 3 programmable comfort modes. Cool, dehumidify and oscillating fan with programmable timer. Ideal cooling solution for any small space, bedroom, office, RV, dorm, etc. Total comfort control from anywhere. Works with Alexa voice commands, Bluetooth and smartphone. Remote control included. Support for dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4 and 5 GHz bands.